Hi, my name is Marc Payne. I'm a second generation abalone diver. I've been abalone diving in the world's deadliest waters for fatal shark attacks for the past 30 years. My abalone area is over 1,000 kilometres of the Southern Ocean. It's an amazing location. There is so much to see out there. The environment is so special, but from time to time it ends in tragedy. Reality hits home when you lose a good friend, someone you've worked with for years, you talked to the day before. That's when you realise that this is what we're dealing with out here. And that's why we need to understand what we're dealing with. For me, this impact has created a passion to understand. And the only way I can understand what I'm dealing with is to not interfere with the environment I'm working in. Reality to me is the truth. The truth can be fragmented when we create an event. That's why it is crucial that we do not impact on the environment that we're working in if we have any chance of trying to understand the finer details of great white sharks. Researchers rely on cage tourism operators and filmmakers to get access to a lot of these locations. That's okay, that's fine. But this research has been done in an environment where an event has been created. It's been created by burley, it's been created by bait. You're just coming straight in here. Come on, lady. And that's the thing, she's just pumped up on burley right now. They've been putting so much burley in the water. For me to understand what is happening, I need to have the sharks in their own environment, in their own space, underwater, doing what they do, to really understand what is happening. We have got one location left here, possibly one of the last locations left on the planet. Now, to me, that is a major scientific discovery. We cannot impact on this environment if we want to have any chance of understanding reality when it comes to great white shark behaviour. Finding Salisbury are dedicated to non-invasive research. Nobody owns Salisbury Island, but we have to respect it. We have to respect the nature, what it's got to offer, and we have to treat it in a way where we are not creating any event, any impact on this environment.